So this is a HikVision indoor station. This particular indoor station actually won a Red Dot Award in 2017. The model number of this is a DS-KH8350-WTE1. It's a really nice box. Looks really high end. You got this kind of like a glossy type finish here, and the rest of the box is like matte. Feels really nice. Inside here you've got this foam, really dense foam, like you see in some high-end products. So we'll just have a look and see what else we get first before we get to that. So we've got a network quick start guide, got a network installation guide, and you've got a quick user guide. With this little panel here. A little input cable so you can elect some alarm inputs into. Got 4 stainless steel screws and some wall plugs. And then we've actually got the mounting bracket itself, which attaches to the wall. So if we look at the indoor station itself, let's have a look around here. So you got your network port on the side there. That's where you connect that other cable, the alarm in cables there. If you look over here, you've actually got a SD card slot. But yeah, it's really feels really nice. And you've also got like the unlock button there, and you got your little microphone down there. So that's the HikVision indoor station.